Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I want to show you how to adjust a bike chain. This is my daughter's bike, and every time she rides this, the bike chain seems to just fall off. So I want to show you an easy way that you can fix that. So let's go ahead and dive in. In order to complete this easy DIY project, you'll either need a ratchet or a wrench. The first thing you'll do is loosen the bolts on the back tire. You want to go ahead and loosen both of these so that they are able to be adjusted. As you're doing this, you can notice that the back tire has a little bit of wiggle room in order to move it. Now that the back tire is loose, all you will do is put your chain back on correctly, and then you'll just pull the back tire backwards, and this will help self-adjust the chain. And then what you're going to do is just keep it tight and try to tighten the bolts back down. So here you want to make sure that the chain is tight but not over tight so that it won't actually go around very well. So you want to make sure that it has a little bit of play in it, but it's significantly tighter than it was. So guys, hopefully this video helps you save time, money, and get back to things you enjoy. If it did, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another helpful video right there, and I'll see you over there.